Alright, we're in the house. The house had been dug out and a retaining wall was put in. And what the guy did was he just covered the crawl space with plastic. And he said he used the good plastic, and he did. But unfortunately what's happening, as you can see down here, he's losing all the soil under the wall and under the footings. And what he did was he built this wood framing so that he can have storage instead of concreting. So the issue was actually here in the corner, one wall, which is this one, is cinder block. This wall is the new wall, and there's a big space between the two that he just filled with concrete and never sealed. So the leak was coming from the bottom of the wall here. This part needs to be excavated and sealed on the outside, which we're going to do in the spring after the snow melts. And what we're going to do here is build a concrete retaining wall to hold this dirt in place, and then put a drain into the existing pump hole, which is over here. So I'll take some more photos after the job and we'll show you how we ended up. Okay, if you remember what this crawl space looked like, this particular support beam and footing was exposed and losing soil. Same with this one. And then the wall down the end was losing soil as well. So I'm going to take you over to the other entry door. And if you remember, you can see where we've sealed the crack and put in this retaining wall to hold back the earth. And we also cemented this area so now that they can use this for storage. And we also filled in and insulated the blocks themselves. So I wanted to show you what a real job looks like and what it takes to secure a home. But most guys aren't going to tell you this. They're just going to do the waterproofing, and then when it fails, they'll tell you it has a structural problem. So there you go, folks.